Let's make a pasta salad today, loaded with fresh herbs and a yogurt dressing. Amazing. Let's make this. So this is a salad, you're not baking, so quantities are not, don't have to be exact. And you can also decide if you don't like one of the herbs I'm putting in there, not to put them in. In this bowl I have cooked penne pasta. I cooked half a box, 8 ounces, al dente, and drained it. To that pasta, I'm going to add celery. I have 2 really skinny stalks, which I took the string out and just cut in diagonal. Some of the celery leaves. Having problems saying that word today, those 2 words together. It's about a tablespoon. I have about a tablespoon of fresh basil. I have a tablespoon of fresh mint, maybe 1.5 tablespoons of parsley that I chopped. I don't know, 1/4 cup of red onion, finely sliced. And I have maybe 8 of these tomatoes, which I just cut into 4ths. You can use cherry tomato, grape tomato, Marzano tomato, which is what I have right here. I'm gonna put all of that into the bowl with the pasta. Now I'm gonna add some feta cheese to this. If you can't find feta cheese, try and find a fresh cheese that is salty, okay? Or if you don't want to put any cheese in this, that'd be perfectly fine as well. This part is absolutely optional, guys. If you don't like the flavor of raw garlic in your dressing, skip it. For our dressing, we're gonna start by smashing and salting a garlic clove. It's not very big, that's what you want. You don't want super strong garlic flavor in the dressing. We're going to smash it with our knife. And we're going to put some salt on it. And now we're just going to puree it with the back of a spoon. And we will transfer this to a little bowl. Look, I don't have any pieces of garlic in here. It's a nice mash. You don't want to bite into a piece of raw garlic when you're eating your salad. Okay, so I added 1/2 cup of plain Greek yogurt into this bowl. If you can't find Greek yogurt, use plain yogurt. We're gonna zest about a teaspoon of lemon into this. And now we are going to squeeze that lemon into the bowl. This is a big lemon, so I'm thinking I'm gonna have about 2 tablespoons of juice, guys. And that's probably what you want in here too. I'm going to add about a 1/3 cup of olive oil. A couple tablespoons of vinegar. I'm using champagne vinegar. You can use white wine vinegar. I just don't have it. Salt and pepper. And we're going to mix this. I am gonna taste it to see if it needs more salt and adjust. Remember, the salad has feta cheese that is salty as well, so don't go overboard. I like it like that. All right, now we're just gonna dress our salad. We're gonna toss it and mix it well. Oh yes. Let's taste this. This is very, very nice. The tanginess of the yogurt and the lemon are complemented fantastically by all those fresh herbs. Oh man, this is good. I hope you make it. If you like this video and you give me a like, I really, really appreciate it. If you haven't subbed, please sub, turn on the notification button so that you know when there's new videos. By the way, if you're subbed and don't have that on, you won't get notified, so turn it on, please. I'll see you guys soon.